So a quick update here regarding the journey that Clarence and I are on, starting our new recruiting business in the crypto, blockchain, 5G infrastructure space. A little bit slower this time of year going into Christmas and New Year's, but it's after New Year's, January 2nd. I'm in the office, very excited to get things moving. I'm ready to rock and roll and work. I get a little antsy when I'm home doing nothing. Excited to be here. Give you a quick update. We closed an intro call with the prospect, the new client that I posted on my YouTube channel 5 days ago. So if you haven't watched that video yet, please go back. I would encourage you to do so. The way I got this client was through a LinkedIn post that I put out there within my niche. I got a ton of responses, likes, comments. I replied back to everyone who commented, which makes that post go further in LinkedIn's algorithm. A lot of tips that I've given you on my YouTube channel. And a client that I had never worked with before, a brand new prospect, reached out to me. He works in Dallas, Texas. He's owned his company for 25 plus years. And Clarence and I did an intro call with him, I believe on Thursday of last week or Friday. And we're jumping to the discovery call tomorrow, Tuesday. So I'm really excited about that. Again, when I get a client to a discovery call, typically I've seen about a 90% close rate, cross fingers, with the process that I have in place. So this discovery call will be 45 minutes long. I've got a laundry list of questions that I've shown you before that I use in our forms page. It's strategically written. There's a blueprint there to bring this client from start to finish. And then after the discovery call, I will be working on a customized proposal for this client, which I'll also share with you on the next video update. So he's looking for a sales executive, a high-level salesperson in South Florida, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, to handle that territory for his business. He provides equipment for wireless telecom companies. This is a very critical hire for his company. I haven't really discussed the salary yet or all-in compensation, but I would imagine it's upwards of $200,000. So I will most likely be pitching a 25% fee with a retained search structure. So we'll get a third up front on day one. And I'll keep everyone here posted how this deal goes. Looking forward to it. And outside of that, no new updates yet. We are just working hard on our cold email campaign, our LinkedIn strategies and techniques, just getting ready to rock it for 2023.